Gravity Forms includes a built-in setting called Enable Save and Continue, which lets users save their progress and finish the form later. It applies to any individual form on your site. It solves the problem of users losing everything they typed when they get interrupted halfway through a long form. Here's the exact process. Start in your WordPress admin panel and click Forms on the left-hand side. A list of your available forms will be displayed. Find the form you want to activate this for. Click Settings and select Form Settings. On the Form Settings page, select Enable Save and Continue. Once it's on, you can customize the link text to whatever wording fits your form. Also, on that same settings page, the Restrictions section lets you limit the number of entries and set the message shown once that limit is reached. Click Save Settings when you're happy with your setup. From that point on, your users will see a link to Save and Continue Later next to the Submit button. When they click it, a URL is displayed, and that link is also sent to the email address they provide. They open it whenever they're ready and pick up exactly where they left off. There's a second use case worth knowing. If your form gives people access to protected content, Password Protect WordPress Pro sends them a password or a quick access link right after they submit. To set that up, install PPWP Pro and the form's integration extension on your site. Once they're activated, a new section called PPWP Pro appears in your form settings. Under Form Action, choose Generate Quick Access Link after submission. Next, you need the ID of the protected post you want to send. Go to your posts, hover over the one you want, and the post ID shows in the bottom left corner of the screen. In this case, it's 1754. Paste that number into the Protected Post ID field. Make sure that post is already protected with PPWP Pro, otherwise users get an error when they submit. You can also set a usage limit by clicks or an expiration time to keep the link from being shared. Now the important part. The link is generated, but you decide where it's sent. Go to the Notifications tab, open the notification that goes to your user, and switch the message editor to code. Add the access link with this format. This is your, for example, premium guide. Then the access link merge tag wrapped in an anchor tag. Editing in code matters here because the visual editor breaks the link. Save your changes. From then on, when someone submits the form, they receive an email with a quick access link that takes them straight to your protected content. Subscribe for more WordPress security tutorials.